Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Pradeep Gupta, Chairman of Cyber Media. It's a pleasure for me to welcome you all today for this very, very important webinar that we are having on 5G today. The impact of 5G on each and every citizen of the country, on the entire society, the business, the nation as a whole is absolutely going to be mind-boggling. It's going to be tremendous. And we are going to spend the entire day today in discussing various aspects of that entire transformation that is going to be ushered in because of this revolution built around 5G. Now, 5G is not just one more generation. It is not just, the transition that we had from 1G to 2G, 3G, 4G. It's much more than that. It's not just a question that, we are talking about bigger pipes, more data flowing in through them at a faster speed and therefore lower latency. We are also talking about a completely new technology. We are also talking about a completely new infrastructure that needs to be built in for us to be able to utilize the power of 5G completely. And that is the transformation that we are going to be, as I mentioned earlier, that is what we will be discussing today. The kind of use cases that we start getting ushered in because of 5G are absolutely mind-boggling. Things which were not possible when we had, say, 1G, 2G, and so on, became possible when the technology moved to 3G. Similarly, there were applications that became possible when we moved on to 4G. For instance, the way we are today working using our mobiles and so on would not have been possible with 2-generation-old technology. But there will be a completely new era that will start getting ushered in because of 5G. Low latency means, just take an example from the medical field. It's not just remote consulting that we are talking about, but tomorrow there could be remote operations that could be conducted because of this low latency. This was just not possible in the previous cycle. The kind of machine to human interaction that we are going to start seeing will be of a completely different sort of a level. Look at smart cities. The way the smart cities will get transformed because of this, where you can do number of different kind of things in real time. Let's look at each and every individual and let's look at how our lives are going to change because of the power of 5G. And you find that, autonomous vehicles coming in is going to be a very, very different way in which we are going to be commuting in the future. Start looking at the government and you will again find that the way the government interacts with its citizenry will again transform because of 5G. So 5G at the very essence is something which is going to be transformational like never before. Around that, there are huge amount of infrastructure to be created, different kind of networks that are required. And, the government and the private industry, right from the outset, have been working together in this entire area. So, there's a very, very good synergy that we have actually witnessed with the government working with the private sector in terms of trying to put together the right sort of a solution that is required for the country. And in fact, in certain areas, we are actually taking a technological leadership. And that is something that can be done because this is an emerging technology. So it's not just that today we can just leapfrog and go on to a new technology, but we can actually drive the various changes that are going to be ushered into this technology. So therefore, I really look forward to an entire day of great deliberations. We've got some fantastic speakers for you. These speakers right throughout the day will be talking about the different aspects of 5G. And I'm sure this will turn out to be a most memorable and a most vital conference for the various people from the telecom industry who are attending this conference. Once again, on behalf of Cyber Media and Voice and Data, I welcome you for this particular webinar. Thank you.